Hello everyone. Now let's move on to parking spot extraction. After completing the preparatory work, we can clearly see the location of a parking spot in the view. At this point, we can activate the parking spot extraction function in the closed data. The button is still visible, and there are manual polygon, semi-auto matching, manual batch, extraction models in the interaction mode. Let me introduce them one by one. First, we choose to use the manual polygon. We draw a parking spot according to its outline. Use the right click, select the finish. Choose the parking. Then we click the right button to complete it. The element type is selected as a parking spot and then we click confirm. In this way, we have completed the drawing of parking spot. After completing the drawing, we can switch to the semi-automatic mode. Use the semi-automatic method. We can automatically extract parking spots. The extraction method is also simple. We just need to draw a straight line from the center of the parking spot. Here, we need to pay attention to the fact that the line should pass through the center of the parking spot, not too high or too low. This is a requirement for our operation. After completing the drawing, the extraction parameters are set to default. For the extraction mode, we select template and click here. Choose the parking spot we just draw. The software will automatically match other parking spots. The same is true here. We can draw a straight line from the center of the parking spot. Try to draw it in the middle position and then select a template. The software will automatically extract the parking spot and the boom bar line will also be automatically extracted. This is the software's automatic extraction mode method. And then we can also use the manual batch to draw the parking lot spot. First, we draw the first parking spot, and then we can draw the second. So, by this way, you can draw the parking spot continuous. If the In this way, we can complete the drawing of 3 parking spaces at once. Manually drawing parking spaces will not automatically extract the bumper stop. At this point, we also need to manually activate the blocking level to draw the blocking manually. I just draw it roughly to demonstrate. Because After completing the drawing of the parking spaces and the blocking lever, we need to add the parking space number here. Activate this function and draw a straight line that passes through the parking spaces and through the middle of the numbers. Of course, there is one thing to note here, that is the direction of the arrow, which should be drawn from left to right or from right to left. If drawn from left to right, the number will be a positive direction, and if drawn from right to left, it will be a negative direction. The staging number is 168, and is decreasing. Then click OK. If we draw it from left to right, we need to change the mode increasing. The start number is 163. You can see the result. So we need to draw the arrow from left to right. Like this, if you draw it a mistake, you can press the Shift key and right and left click, or you can just renumber it from left to right. So this is the result. You can draw other spot like this. That's how we extract parking spaces.